What evidence to collect? In fire scenes, especially, here is what to collect. It can lead to the suspect or show a path of entry or escape. Why proper evidence collection matters? Ordinary officers do extraordinary work.
Evidence collection in arson and fire scene investigation.
Hi friends, I am Suresh Taruvu, former Joint Director of Andhra Pradesh Forensic Science Laboratory. My journey in forensic science began in 1993, and over last 31 years, I have visited more than 8,600 crime scenes across India. Today, I want to take you through something that only comes with years of experience. The key observations a forensic expert must make at a fire or arson scene. What evidence to collect? In fire scenes, especially those suspected to be arson, the evidence can be subtle, damaged, and completely hidden. But with the trained eyes, we can still uncover the truth. Here is what to collect. Accelerant residues like petrol, kerosene, or diesel. Look for them near the seat of fire or inside containers. Char debris. Collect burnt wood, carpets, or floor material that might have absorbed ignitable liquids. Electrical components. Wires, switches, and MCBs must be examined to confirm or rule out short circuits. Fire starters, matchboxes, candles, incense sticks, sometimes even placed deliberately. Suspicious tools or containers like bottles with smell of fuel, broken locks, or cutting tools. Footwear or tire impressions. These can lead to the suspect or show a path of entry or escape. Digital evidence or documents. CCTV, DVRs, mobile phones, and insurance papers can reveal motive. Each piece of evidence tells a story, but only if you know how to read it. How and where to collect evidence. Evidence must be collected with scientific care. Let me break it down. Charred debris. Use a steel spoon to collect it from the suspected point of origin. Accelerants. Use a pipette and collect into airtight glass or metallic containers, especially if fuel smell is strong. Wires and switches. Cut using insulated tools. Collect from the panels or near the burn zone. Soil samples. Scoop beneath the burnt area. Fuel often drips down. Tools and bottles. Pick using gloves and store in clean metallic bags. Footprints or tire marks. Photograph immediately, then cast with dental stone if required. Digital items. Handle gently and pack in anti-static bags like Faraday bags. Always collect from both the burnt area and a control area for comparison in lab analysis. Handling, lifting, and packing procedures. Proper evidence handling can make or break your case. Follow these golden rules. Wear gloves always, avoid contamination. Label everything: case number, location, date and your initials. Preserve chain of custody from the field to the forensic lab. Now for packing. Accelerant debris. Use airtight metallic cans, never plastic. Vapors escape through plastic. Electric items. Wrap carefully and place in anti-static covers. Tools. Pack sharp tools in thick polythene with cushioning. Liquids. Use glass screw cap vials. Leave some air space. Soil. Use paper bags for dry soil or glass jars if needed. Digital devices. Place in a Faraday bags to prevent tampering. Each evidence item must be treated like a witness. Handle it with respect. Why proper evidence collection matters? I have seen fire scenes where the cause was clear, but the evidence was lost because someone stepped carelessly, moved objects, or packed samples wrongly. I have also seen ordinary officers do extraordinary work because they followed protocol and treated evidence with the care it deserves. In forensic science, the truth doesn't speak. You must help it to speak. So remember, be calm, be precise, be scientific, because the truth is hidden in the ashes and it is our duty to uncover it for the victims, for justice and for a safety society. Fire doesn't scare me, it challenges me. I have walked into thousands of fire scenes, but what I truly carry with me is the hope that someone like you will carry this torch towards brighter, better and bolder. To all my young trainees, dedicated police officers and forensic aspirants, never forget, one sample, one photograph, one footprint handled correctly can solve a murder, stop an injustice and inspire faith in the system. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe to Taruvu Forensic Vlogs. Let's spread forensic knowledge, one scene at a time. Thank you. Jai Forensics, Jai Hind.